Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to log in T-Life on your device. As we know that T-Life manages your account and configure your T-Mobile home internet gateway. So to log in T-Life on your device, you need to simply go to your T-Life. So you have to make sure that T-Life is already installed on your device, and to log in T-Life you need to simply go to the app T-Life. After clicking on that, you will see the various options and you need to select the options as your want, and I want to do not allow my device to connect local network. And after that this is the very first home page of the T-Life app, and you need to simply go to the option login and create a T-Mobile ID, which is highlighted in pink. After clicking on that, you can simply enter your email, phone number or username, and after that you need to simply enter your email. After entering your email, you need to simply select the password in a very strong characters, alphabet, symbol and many more. After creating that, and you need to make sure that you do not forget your password, and also you can log in your password through your Face ID, which is enabled on my page. And after that you need to simply click on the option login, which is highlighted in color pink, and after that you can simply log in your T-Life account on your device. So these are the very easy steps to download T-Life app on your device. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.